how to set a background color image to Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard and click on Gboard and scroll down and click on Theme. After click on Theme, if you want to change Gboard color, so you will change color from here and click on Apply. If you want to change image, so download image and click on Apply. You will see color and images change on Gboard and Keyboard. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set a background color image to Gboard or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.